Alright, so I'm going to kind of go over the box contents. You got the Holley dash right here. You can expect a GPS antenna, CAN adapter, and extension. This is actually the USB cord. Hold on. This is the CAN adapter right here. And they sent USB as well as some other hardware that you'll need. And I also have this dash panel as well. So that's basically, I think, all what we're going to need for this install. So we have this connector here. This is CAN. This is power. Black wire is ground. White for the ignition. And then we're going to add 4 more wires there for things like fuel and turn signals, etc., etc. So, yeah. Alright, so the yellow wire was too big, so I had to replace it with a brown wire here in the connector. So this is going to be for my fuel, and I'm just going to pop it in there. The blue is for my right turn signal, white is for left, and then the gray, I'm just going to push that in, is for my high beams. And push them in far enough. Should be able to see them kind of on the other side. Maybe not. Well, kind of in there. You can see the other ones. But, yeah. So, and then when you have those all in, these 2 white tabs here, you're going to push them in, if I can with my nails. And that'll lock them into place. Moving on to the next step. Alright, so we basically soldered all the wires together. Here I am just heat shrinking the last 2. And then after that we're going to run the CAN wire. And we should have a Holley dash operating once we get that connected. So now we're going to mount the GPS antenna bob thing. I'm peeling... Oh, no, I'm actually peeling it off. Wait a minute. Peeling off the 3M tape that's separating from it. We don't want that. Alright. So I'm going to center it the best I can. I'm always the girl that thinks I'm doing a good job, but then I mount stuff and it's always crooked. So, you know, it's now or never, and... oh my gosh, I think that's centered. It looks crooked, but I think... I'm so scared. Wait. Nope. No. Go to the left. Alright, here we go. Perfect, and then we're just going to run this just kidding. I guess my car said it's not centered. Looks good to me. This is just... Alright, now she's on there. Okay, so, no she's not. What's going on? Alright, so we got it to stick, I think. Just be really gentle with it for now, and now we're just gonna tuck the cord back here. then run it along this way essentially, and connect it down here. Alright, so a couple things I want to recap. I made that whole announcement about not being able to mount things straight, and I still mounted it crooked. So don't hire me to help you mount anything if you want it straight. If you want it crooked, I'm your girl. Alright, anyway, so here is the dash panel, and you're going to want to mount it on this side. Not this side. We had it mounted on this side. This is the wrong side. Correct side. But some trimming was required, as you can see. And here I'm just here I am just connecting the USB port wire there, and then I'll be doing the rest of the connectors in the back. So we're getting close to firing up the dash. Alright, so we got the GPS hooked up now. We just have this last connector to get in here. Let's do some engineering here. Let's see. There it goes. Clicked right in. Everything's labeled on the back too for easy installation. And that should sit like that. I think that looks really good. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is the moment of truth to see if it works. Hopefully it does. We've already bolted it down, so I really don't want to take it back off. Anyway, let's see. Come on, come on. Ooh, we got power. Okay. Yo, this thing is sick. Oh my god. Wow. I'm so excited. We have a working Pro Dash. It sucks that it's winter time because, you know, my car's up, but hopefully I can take it out tomorrow. We'll see. I just want to see it work in action. Oh my god. It looks so good. Alright, so I was going to take the car out, but then that happened and it hasn't cleared up for the past couple of days, so you're going to have to wait until spring to see the screen in action, but I am going to show you how I have it set up right now. Alright guys, so this is how I have my Pro Dash set up so far. I've got it to read battery voltage, fuel pressure, boost, water temp, oil pressure, speed, RPM, AFR left, and then my fuel gauge says fuel me up baby. I thought that was kind of funny because it's just me adding my own personal touch to the screen, but you can customize so many things on here. Here are other kind of presets that the screen comes with, so whatever works for you essentially. I have the Holley HP on the car, and you know, that ECU can read so many different things, and you can fully customize the screen to essentially read whatever, you know, you need it to read. So now I'm going to turn the car on so you can see it in action. There are so many features that this dash can do that I cannot wait to show you, so stay tuned for that. Probably in the springtime when I'm able to drive the car, so I can show you things, you know, like the shift light, and that'll give me time to really like dive into the screen, you know, do some research and really figure out more cool features to show you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will link the Pro Dash in the description as well. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!